Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you for watching these videos, and I wanna introduce myself. My name is Ain Sahara. I'm lecturer at Oil and Gas Instrumentation and Electronics Faculty in STT Migas Balikpapan, East Borneo, Indonesia. Okay. This opportunity, I want to present my results title with design of Viscometer for automatic measurement of fluid voltage and electric voltage, and which is the submitted to Science and Technology Research Symposium 2020. Okay, let's begin with the introduction. And I wanna share screen. Wait a minute. Okay, this is my resource and the introduction. We start about the introduction. Energy is become humanly needed. Until now, the energy source of petroleum is still the primary energy source in its use, especially in the fields of electrician, industry, and transportation, of course, okay? And oil field of fossil energy is one of the non-renewable energy, non-new renewable energy sources, and which has been the mainstay of many or meeting energy needs in all activity sector. During the current energy crisis, this is a talk to definitive energy by developing other energy sources as alternative energy to supply domestic energy consumption. Okay, and of there is by utilize a liquid that has contain this thickness that produce an electric voltage. Okay, and I continue to my method research. This is a design of Viscometer as a volt. I use one tube with 15 centimeters of diameters, and thus I use the stir to combine or to to mix the liquid, and the stir still in center of the tube, and the height for stir is 15 oh I'm sorry 14 centimeters, and then this is automatic viscometer and flowchart of the viscometer. Okay, now the utilize of liquid waste for alternative energy source can be analyzed from the viscosity value of a liquid to the value of the voltage generated by the liquid. So we need a design for measuring the viscosity of the liquid and the electric voltage generated from the liquid automatically. Okay, this is the process automatically. Use the microcontroller like Arduino Mega 2560 over here to control the sensor. And then in design the Viscometer, the tool has two kinds of power supply 1 and power supply 2. The first power supply is a 12 voltage for adapter, which is send power to the DC gearbox over here to drive the steer. This is the steer. Okay, and the power supply next, or the second power supply over here, to or get for PC or laptop over here. PC or laptop that send power to the microcontroller Arduino Mega over here to run all automatically like strain gauge sensor or temperature sensor over here. And stress value of the fluid. And the temperature sensor function to measure the temperature of the fluid, both before and after strain, the liquid, of course. In the side note, this tool, the LCD, over here, the LCD component is connected to the Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega, I'm so sorry, which has been programmed to determine the output value of temperature, viscosity, and voltage. And amount of liquid over here as much as 1/2 liters to get the result, okay, in this research. Okay, next. We can get the result of the tool obtained the viscosity and stress value of several types of liquid that can be measured as in the following table over here. The variable I use for variable water, dishwasher soap, palm oil, and machine oil. Okay, they have a viscosity like water 0.001 Pascal second and have electric voltage 2.53 volt for the water, and the highest from this result is machine oil. That is have viscosity 0.65 Pascal second and get the 3.75 volt for electrical voltage. Okay, and the conclusion in this result, this is the design of the tool may have a function to measure the viscosity of a liquid, which is directly connected to the calculating of the result of the electric voltage using the strain gauge sensor and Arduino microcontroller, as well as other electric components designed to work automatically. The result of the calculation of the value of viscosity, voltage, and temperature, which are automatically displayed on the LCD. From the trial design of Viscometer, training data were obtained for several types of fluid. This is data can later be used as a basis of calculating alternative energy in the next research. I hope like that. Thank you for your attention to watching my video this moment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.